students, welcome in our Vidyakunj Career Academy. Today we are going to see here imperative sentences in which we are going to see here how to change the degree, how to change the direct speech into indirect speech or indirect speech into direct speech. Okay. Now I have written here some sentences as example. Okay. Before doing this, I want to tell here we have to use conjunction between reported verb and reported speech. Which conjunctions we are going to use here? To or not to. Okay. Now here I want to talk here regarding reported verb. Okay. When you are changing direct speech into indirect speech, you have to see that sentence reported speech, and in reported verb how they are giving answer, how they are talking. Okay, on that you have to on that you have to decide as per emotion words also you have to use here. Okay, that means adverb. Okay, according to the adverb you have to use here. Okay, now said, told, advised, ordered, you can use here these verbs in reported verb when you are changing into indirect speech with emotions. Okay, even some more words also you can use here, verbs as per that direct speech. Okay, now let's see. I will read. Mother said to Anuradha, give them a couple of days. Mother said to Anuradha, give them a couple of days. Okay, now here look at here. Said to. I have to write here said only. Okay, as per sentence you have to decide. Okay, understand meaning of the sentence, then you have to decide. Intention also. Okay, given sentence, not yours. Here mother said to no. Here what said? Give them a couple of days. It means asked. Okay, asked Anuradha. Okay, here comma and double inverted comma. I have to remove this. Then if you want to remove here, then you have to use conjunction. Okay, here to or not to. Here look at here. This is the first form. This is the verb. First form verb. Here hasn't given negative, so we will not use here not to. If here is negative, verb has given here negative, then you have to use here conjunction not to. Conjunction. Okay. Anuradha to. This is our conjunction. Then give. I have to write as it is. Now we have to change here pronoun as per given reported verb. Now them is third person pronoun. If third person pronoun, there will not be change. You have to write it as it is. A couple of days. This sentence we have converted indirect speech into indirect speech. Understood how we have used here verb? Okay, here conjunction. Now here next sentence. Look at here. Speak he rode. Rode means obviously when some person in angry mood, then he will rode. Okay. Then I will write here. He cried angrily. Angrily. Look at here. Angrily is adverb, but it expresses here emotion of this subject. Okay. Now he cried angrily. Then I have to use here conjunction to remove this. Okay. Then what should I write here? To only. Okay. To speak. As it is, I have to write here. After that, full stop. Finish. Now next one. Mother said to Gopal, don't worry about her. Don't worry about her. Now here said to has given here In place of said to, I will write here told. Okay. As per sentence, you have to read and understand. Then you have to use here reported verb. If here has expressed emotion with emotion, you can use here with reported verb plus adverb. Okay. Mother told Gopal. Okay. Now I have to use here conjunction. Then I have to here don't has given. Look at here. Don't. If here has given here don't, then what should I write here? Not to. Okay. Not to here as it is, you have to write here. Not to worry about. Here pronoun. This is third person pronoun, so you have to write it as it is. If here has given second person pronoun, you have to use as per object. If here has given here first person pronoun, you have to use as per subject. Okay. This is third person pronoun. Okay. Finish. This also finish. Now fourth sentence. Stop Sahadeva. Here I have to write here. I have forgot to write said. Okay. Stop Sahadeva, said the voice. Do not drink, for this is an enchanted pool. Okay. Now look at here. This is also reported speech. This is also reported speech. It means both sides has given reported speech. Here is reported verb. Okay. Now I will start to write here. Okay. The voice. I will use here order. I will use here ordered. Okay. The voice ordered whom? Sahadeva. Ordered Sahadeva. First of all, we have to understand sentence. Then you can write here. Okay. Stop Sahadeva means to whom? Sahadeva. The voice ordered Sahadeva. Now I have to use here conjunction. Okay. Now I will write here too. This one first you have to see here. Stop. To stop. And further reported speech, look at here. And I have to write here to combine these reported speech. Okay. And not to. Why I have used here not to? Because it here do not. Not to drink. For this. Here this becomes that. Okay. For that. And here is becomes was. Okay. Was after I will write here. I haven't placed here. Do not drink, for that was an remaining sentence. I have to write here as it is. Enchanted pool. Full stop. In this way, you have to change direct speech into indirect speech. Almost you have to use rules of direct and indirect speech. Okay. I hope you understood how to change the direct speech into indirect speech or indirect speech into direct speech. Vice versa you have to do. If you have any query regarding this, you have to put your query below my video. I will help you. Thank you.